This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. What if I told you the highest fiber food isn't broccoli, oatmeal, or even beans? In fact, most people get the number one food completely wrong, and it's probably not what you think. That's surprising because fiber is one of the most important nutrients, yet most adults consume far less than the recommended amount, which is about 25 grams per day for women and 38 grams per day for men. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we're counting down the top 5 high-fiber foods ranked by science. And by the end of this video, you may be surprised by the food that tops the list. So let's start with number 5, oats. Oats are widely known for their heart health benefits, and much of that comes from a unique soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This type of fiber forms a gel in the digestive tract, helping to slow digestion and support healthy cholesterol levels. About 40 grams of dry rolled oats provide roughly 4 grams of fiber. That may not sound impressive compared with some foods later on this list. But one serving per day is a reasonable amount for most people. Pairing them with berries, nuts, or seeds can increase the total fiber content even further. Try to choose plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats whenever possible. Coming in at number 4 are raspberries. Among fruits, raspberries are absolute champions when it comes to fiber. 1 cup provides around 8 grams of fiber, which is more than many people expect from fruit. Raspberries contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements. A cup per day is an excellent amount for most adults. Now for number 3 are lentils. Lentils are among the most impressive foods in nutrition science. They are packed with fiber, plant protein, and numerous beneficial plant compounds. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers approximately 15 grams of fiber, providing more than half of the daily requirement for many adults. Half a cup to 1 cup daily is a practical amount for most people. If you're new to legumes, start slowly. Increasing fiber too quickly can lead to gas and bloating. Drinking enough water is equally important because fiber works best when accompanied by adequate fluid intake. At number 2 are beans. Beans are often overlooked, but they are among the richest natural sources of dietary fiber available. Depending on the variety, 1 cup of cooked beans can provide between 13 and 20 grams of fiber. That means a single serving can deliver close to half of the daily recommended intake. Beans contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which may help support heart health, improve cholesterol levels, and contribute to better blood sugar control. Half a cup to 1 cup daily is a sensible amount for most adults. And now, number 1. The food that many people get wrong. Chia seeds. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are one of the richest commonly consumed sources of fiber on the planet. Gram for gram, they contain more fiber than flax seeds, oats, and many fruits and vegetables. Just 2 tablespoons, or about 28 grams, provide nearly 10 grams of fiber. That's roughly 1/3 of the daily requirement for many adults. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble portion absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, which may help slow digestion and increase feelings of fullness, while the insoluble portion supports regular bowel movements. For most adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is an ideal amount. And here's an important point that many people overlook. Chia seeds should be soaked before consumption. Mixing them with water, milk, or yogurt, and allowing them to soak for at least 30 minutes helps them absorb liquid. This may improve digestibility and makes them easier to consume. People who are new to chia seeds should begin with 1 tablespoon daily. But here's something important. The goal isn't simply to find one superfood and eat it every day. Different foods contain different types of fiber, and those fibers provide different benefits. Soluble fiber helps support cholesterol and blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber promotes regularity and digestive health. That's why the healthiest approach is diversity. Combining oats, berries, lentils, beans, and chia seeds provides a variety of fibers that nourish the gut microbiome and support overall health. So, which of these high-fiber foods surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who is trying to eat healthier. And if you're new to the Mindhunters, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on nutrition and preventive health. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.